Yep, my another shopping, grocery shopping here. Oh damn, $60. I went to 5 grocery stores today. Unbelievable. Yep, I got everything. Not many, not a lot of meat, just one package meat in there. Okay, I think I stopped buying grocery stuff from now until the end of the year. If I keep buying, stop by the store, I will buy it. And then I end up I stuck there. Okay. Oh, I just did the live stream just in case you guys mix it happen. Just let you know, because sometimes I do the live stream, somehow my live stream nobody see it, so I just make a quick video clip just to let you know. If you want to see detail how much I spend each individual one, I show you guys in the live stream there. Yep, I got all them. Okay, see you next video. Bye.